I was not expecting to find summer or spring items at Dollar Tree today, but they have the slides. I think that's what these are called. They're very trendy. They are thin. These are new to me. I've never seen this marble effect. It's like a cat eye. I think that's what it's called. Reminds me of those marbles when I was a kiddo. They have the two glass types. These ones are really pretty, almost that anthropology type look. And then they have the smaller, I guess. What are they called? Goblet, I think that's what it's called. These are glass too. Wow, I've never seen them before. If you're setting up a hot cocoa bar and you need a jar, Dollar Tree has a nice selection. And then you just add like a little twine, red and white twine ribbon or something like that to the jar, and you make it a little more festive. Are these new? I think, yeah, they're the same as these. Yeah, they have the base. I don't want to knock anything over, my goodness. Sometimes I try to, I'm just going to leave it here. Here's a little overview of the dishes that they have in stock here. I know there's another setup at the front of the store with the Christmas dishes, so I'll visit that after. But I wanted to take a look at their chargers, so that's why I came over this way. These are beautiful. They've got a different kind of gold to them. They're not muted, they're a natural gold. They have the silver ones that are like an almost scratched effect. These have like a bubble vintage. I thought they had glittery gold. I'm going to have to check. It's been a really long time since I've spotted new stationery like pens, markers, but these are Sharpies, so that's always fun to find. Notebooks are a little bit upside down here, but list. These are cute, but the pages are kind of like an off yellow or white, fuzzy on the top, or velvety, I should say. There's different colors here. Muted blue. This one looks different. This is really good quality. Here, let me show you. It's hard sometimes with one hand. Pages are beautiful. There's a pocket. I think I'm going to take this. It's a really nice notebook. And paper mate flares. Usually the big packs are pretty pricey. I love the zebra markers. Pearl marks. These are pencils. Come up to the front. A lot of the dishes and everything are sold compared to just a few short weeks ago. See that the forest print with the trees. So these are what I was hoping to find. They're beautiful. They're a really nice colored glitter. They have the snowflake printed. And these are glass. I know some of you have been looking and asking. I hope you find them. I'm really happy to see. I didn't think we were going to get the gift boxes this year because I hadn't seen them anywhere. And then suddenly they just showed up. And there are new prints compared to last year, so that's really nice. Some neutrals. Here are the prints. There's 3 trees. And they have reds, like traditional colors, and some smaller boxes with some fun blues. But they're muted. They're not too bright. Oh, here's some more red in here. What do you put in these ones? Just because they're rectangle. They have these little mini ones too. I might grab them. Who knows? It's always good to have a little box. I love these tin boxes, and I actually have a glass ornament as a gift, and it needs to be deep enough. These gift bags are so pretty and they almost look like they light up. Do you see the reflection here? So I had spotted some other ones as well. They're on the other wall I'll share with you. These are really nice for pens, like just to hold your pens. Okay, so there are some more here. Maybe along on the other wall. Here's some. And you can poke little holes and then put the little twinkle lights that we just spotted and poke them through, and you can frame it and use it as wall art or just sit on a side table or hutch. I hadn't seen these. I found the LED ones a few weeks back, but now they have these candy canes, the hard ones. These were last year, and they're back again. I can't believe they keep putting out more stuff, new things constantly. Look at this. These are new and they're reusable. They're tote bags, really nice as gift bags. I think I'm going to grab this one here with the Merry or Happy Holidays with the wreath. Beautiful. It has a plaid print. And they have giant totes too, so if you need to gift a bigger box or something, those would be bigger. Perfect for a hot cocoa bar. You can put those in a little jar. They have little shot glasses too. Not sure what I could do with them. And then they have these. So many of you ask me to check out the coloring books, and because I haven't seen anything new in forever, I usually don't film, but look, these are all brand new. We got lucky today. There's Ursula. She's my favorite villain. Which one is your favorite villain? These are all Disney coloring books. Oh, a dress-up doll fashion one. Sorry, the high ones are hard to share, so we'll stick down here. These are thin pages, though. Who likes to color through the winter? That's when I enjoy coloring. I'll make a cup of tea, and I'll sit down and color a little bit at the end of the night. I find it really relaxing. This one's fun. It's retro. Coloring the 80s. I don't even want to attempt to look at these books. Oh my gosh, I'm going to knock things over. It's just a little bit too tight and messy right now. We'll stick to the coloring books. I like this one. I think I'm actually going to buy it with some cute characters. They did a really good job. They have so many books. Crayola Minecraft, Crayola Minions, Star Wars, the Berenstain Bears. Oh, the pages are so thin. If they were just a little bit nicer, I would buy them. What a cute collection. I love them. Just darn pages are like paper thin. They're like tracing paper thin. I mean, I could photocopy it at home onto a good paper, but these are so cute. I'm really liking them. Darn. I hadn't seen these erasers in the Christmas section. There's one lonely pack here. I'm at the checkout and check out all this Pez. So there's Ariel's collection, or the Little Mermaid, I should say, and they have the Lion King. So there's Flounder and Sebastian. I love them. So cute. Here's some new wrapping paper. It's Disney. It's Minnie Mouse or Mickey, because it's all like Minnie with the little bows. And they have this one here, which is from Frozen. It's got a pastel feel to it. It's really pretty. It's delicate. And then I had found Grinch, but I think it's all sold. This one's gingerbread. Yeah, I don't see any of the Grinch paper. I actually bought a roll. This one's Peanuts and Hello Kitty. And Ninja Turtles, super cute. I hope you enjoyed walking through Dollar Tree with me today. And until next time, everyone, thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now.
I ain't afraid of the dark, 'cause once you let the light in, you won't see the beautiful stars shining down from afar. No, I ain't afraid of the dark. I don't mind the rain, bringing life back. We can breathe again when dealing with the pain. No, I don't mind the rain. And ooh, that's the way it goes. Life will teach you what you need to know. And ooh, like a river flows, life will take you where you need to go. Getting old don't bother me, 'cause with eyes that's been through life, it's so much easier to see who I am and who I wanna be. No, getting old don't bother me. Truth can be a bitter pill, but it'll do you right and set you free the way a lie never will. Like climbing up the steepest hill, but truth can be a bitter pill. Yeah.